What is up, everybody? This is me, Yasma. Welcome to this video. I'm going to be unboxing WS-Y6 2B mobile MP3 wireless speaker, mini wireless speaker. This one. So let's open it. I don't know. Okay. Whoa, check this out. And we got the charger. So this is the USB. This is the plugging in, and this is the plug-in with the charger or something. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna open it. And let's see. This is great. I'm like, I can't believe. Okay, yes. Whoa, that is awesome. So like, it is cool. Wait, I'm gonna turn on. I don't know how to, cause oh, this is, so
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
what? Damn, that is cool. Okay, alright guys, so this is the same sound from hoverboard. Of course, speakers. Look, yeah, it's kind of good, but yeah, of course. Okay, alright guys, I'm gonna put my phone in. Let's see. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna put some music on. I'm not gonna put it. Yeah. Great. And charger. That's it, guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe if you dare. And that's it, guys. Enjoy this video. And I'm going to be uploading more videos soon, and more videos will be coming up. And bye.